What Reap did, it helped me see more. Not only did Reap help me with business, it helped me with life too. I used to think that I'm not gonna finish, I'm not gonna graduate. I actually have a chance to graduate now because of Ape and because of Reap.
Reap has given me confidence, given me the platform I need, helped me build a strong resume that will hopefully stand out. I just kind of showed up one day at Chess and he's like, "Can I get your email?" I was like, "What for?" He's like, "I have a program." And I kind of just got recommended from a friend and I joined and it's been great. Reap has given me a voice by simply getting me prepared for what is needed.
They should join Reap because it's kind of a fun thing to do and you'll be learning and getting experience of what the real world is. Right now, I'm trying to start my own business and getting the hang of it.
He's helping us start learning how to run a business or start one. Reap has helped a lot with that actually. With social skills, there's a ton of people in the group.
Something that made me specifically want to join Reap is that he said if I have a goal in life, that he could help me get there. So he could help me network with the people that could get me to where I want to go. We do a lot of team building stuff, working with other people in programming while we're there to, reach our goal for the union.
Whenever Abe would put me in the spotlight out of nowhere, I would have to stand up and say what I gotta say. Slowly, by me and Abe talking and him putting me out there, that kind of prepared me for the interviews.
I feel like I would be much more shy if it weren't for Reap. It kind of puts you in a situation where you have to meet new people, and I feel like that kind of experience has made me much better at meeting new people and getting out there. Honestly, before Reap, I was a really shy person, and it was really difficult for me to talk to new people. Going into high school, being like, oh my god, there's so many people that I don't know, I'm gonna have to talk to people. That was really scary for me. So I'm really glad I could overcome that through Reap. Joining Reap was a very good decision, and I don't know where I would be without it.
I would definitely recommend to join Reap. It has been a great program to me, it has been a great program to others, and I hope it can be a great program to newcomers. Being a part of Reap has helped me a lot, and I would tell someone that I hope it can help them too, and if they join, if I'm there, I can help them as well. And Abe would be a great help.
I thought I should give it a try because I might be a good leader. That's what Reap is for, to make a new wave of leaders.